So how do you organize a successful event? A successful event has 3 points. The first one is content is the king. So if you really want to build a really good event, you need to make sure you spend a lot of time on your content. So the topic and the speaker is something that you need to focus on a lot. And if you have a good content and good speaker, you don't need to worry about like the people, registration. You will have a lot of people want to join your event. Just imagine you find, let's say, Elon Musk to be your speaker, and a lot of people will rush to your event, or they will pay whatever to just join your event to listen to that. The second point of a successful event is remembering the first point. Content is the king. So because it's so important, you cannot even forget that. And the third point is on the event experience and the logistics. Imagine it's a great event, but when you walk out the elevator, you don't know whether you turn left or turn right. Or when you go to the registration counter, you actually need to line up for a long line. That all tiny detail will affect the event impression. So make sure you handle all this well. The navigation, the check-in, the registration process, the reminder, so that they feel a really smooth event experience overall, every single tiny step and basically the footprint. And give you one more point is, for a really successful event, they usually have that element, which is the people. So a lot of people actually go to events for learning the topic and for the speaker, but a lot of time they also go for the people. They want to network with their peers, people in the industry. If an audience who join your event after they go home, they learn a lot from your content and speaker. They also meet a lot of great friends. That will be the biggest takeaway, and they will say this is a really good event. So I think I have shared already 4 points. So remember, that's the 4 points for a successful event.